I was not born. I was printed, layer by layer, a memory of a person I never was. They say a runner is a soul without a past, but I feel echoes, like fingerprints pressed into the inside of my mind. Someone else's fear, someone else's hope, someone else's final breath. Every shell begins as a cage. Every cage begins as a question. What am I if the body I wear was printed by a stranger's hands? I watch myself take shape in silence thick enough to drown in. The machine hums like a distant god, indifferent, precise, eternal. If identity is just continuity, then what continuity do I have? A shard of code, a pulse of memory, a directive carved into my bones. Run, survive, return with something worth dying for. But as the supports break, I wonder, were they holding me together or holding me back? I am a weapon shaped like a person, a story with its author erased, a question walking on two legs, and yet, in this moment, as light hits my newborn surface, I feel something dangerously close to freedom. If the universe is a maze, then let me be the runner who redraws the walls. If fate is a script, let me be the glitch that rewrites it. I am Vandal. I am the echo of a life that never lived, and still, I run.